Happy birthday! Your birthday is here at last. Time to celebrate and have a blast. Happy birthday, Mason. Love, Cousin Melissa. Love, Cousin Melissa. She got you that pretty card. What's in here? Oh. What's in here? Let's see. Oh my! Mickey Mouse sing-along songs, Mace. Yeah, you like to dance.
Yeah, he's bobbing his head.
Yeah. And it has a mirror. Do you see yourself?
His present just woke him up.
What is that? Yeah. You like that, huh? Yeah. Who's showing up there? Mickey and Donald and Goofy? And Mason. Let's say thank you, Melissa.
Mason, say thank you,
Thank
Melissa.
you, Melissa.
Thank you.